with his employer. That is why waiters are seldom socialists, have no effective trade union, and will work 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. They are snobs, and they find the servile nature of their work rather congenial. The plongeurs have a different outlook. Theirs is a job which offers no prospects, is intensely exhausting, and at the same time has not a trace of skill or interest. All that is required of them is to be constantly on the run and to put up with long hours and a stuffy atmosphere. They have no way of escaping from this life, for they can't save a penny from their wages, and working from 60 to 100 hours a week leaves them no time to train for anything else. The best they can hope is to find a slightly softer job as a night watchman or lavatory attendant. And yet, the plongeurs, low as they are, also have a